Okay guys, so this is just a quick video to see the Fibonacci because quite a few people PM me over these few days. So I'll just do a short video to show you, right, how does it work. Basically, it's drawing support and resistance. Okay, so if you have nothing to draw, that means on the chart, wow, so I don't know where to draw at, then you can pull the Fibo. Okay, so there are two types of Fibo for those of you who don't know. Those of you who already know, you can just skip the video lah. Okay, so Fibonacci is the third button here on TradingView. So I'll talk about the retracement first. Okay, retracement is very simple. Basically, retracement is if you are always pulling from A to B. Okay, A to B. So A is, for example, if you want to find out where is the resistance, right? You pull from the highest price, you connect it to the lowest price, and then do you see that this is what the market did, right? It dropped from here and then it went to the 0.618 exactly, which is about 458 back then. Hit and reject, right? So this is for back then. And another time, so if I were to measure this, there's another wave here. So whenever there's a wave, this is A, B, C, right? So the next A is here. This is the next high. A, you pull to the swing low. Swing low is obviously here. Can you see that it's the same? The stock recovered back to 0.618. If you look carefully here, right, and then it retraced. So you can tell that 0.618 or 0.5 thereabout, right? Usually the level here 0.618 is a very strong resistance. So that is if you want to find resistance. So when you're pulling from swing high to swing low, definitely you're finding resistance, right? So what if you are pulling from down to up? Okay, when you're pulling from down to up, it's basically times when you want to find support. For example, you can see that this was in October. So now I'm using the same thing again, but instead of high to low, this is rising. So I want to pull from here to here. This is the high, right? Can you see that the stock went up and then dropped to where? 0.5. Right, this is the 0.5 mark. So this is where it usually retraces to, or even the 618, and then it might bounce off. So basically, if you're doing retracement, right, if it's down to up, you're finding support. If up to down, you're finding so-called resistance. And then for this thing, the trend extension, right, is totally opposite only. So for example, trend extension is for me to predict where it might drop to, right? Basically, where is the support? So for example, this thing, so the difference between this first button and the second button is, first one is always A to B, that's all, right? The second one, which is the extension, you need A, B, C, right? So for example, you can see that this is the swing high, A, you pull it to B, and then you pull it to the next wave, A to B to C, right? So this is A. It drop all the way and then go up to here and then drop to where? Look at it. It dropped nicely to 411. That was the lowest price it went to, and then it bounced off again, right? So you need A, B, C. Swing high, swing low, and the next swing high. Then you're able to draw that thing. Right. So for example, let's say on BABA, right? You want to see where can BABA drop to, or where is the next BABA support, because clearly there isn't anything else really, right? I will probably pull from here. Maybe this is the swing high. I pull it to the swing low, and the next swing high is somewhere here. I'll just extend it out, right? So you can tell that there's a support at $75 for Alibaba. Right, if that is broken, right, most likely it will go to 64. So there isn't any levels already, because even if you look out to very long ago, there might not be something there. Yeah. So that is for the retracement, guys. Okay.